In this video, we are going to see how to remove a background of any image in only one click. Just go to any one of your browser and search remove VG, and you are going to get an interface like this. And you take your one of your image. Just I am going to take image of Virat Kohli. Just take this image. I wanted to remove the background of this image. Just copy the link of the image and paste it over here. Once you paste it over here, it will take some 10 seconds and it will give you a removed background of image, and this is where you can download here. That's it.